Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the feast of the presentation of the Lord last February 2nd, 130 religious people from the areas of Peit and Mandalay gathered at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Anisakan to celebrate the World Day of Life consecrated on the theme, Pilgrims of Hope on the Path to Peace. The ceremony began in the morning with the Holy Mass presided over by the diocesan priest Don Peter Saint Laint Wu on behalf of the Archbishop of Mandalay, Monsignor Marco Tinwin. In his homily, he encouraged all those present to bear witness to God's love and mercy to all the people they encounter in their mission. The day continued with a series of games and moments of sharing and conviviality. The final meetings of Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, took place at Juazeiro do Norte in the Brazilian state of Ceará on Sunday, 4th February 2024. It was the sixth and final day of the animation visit to the Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, Salesian province of Brazil, Recife, BRE. The 10th successor of Don Bosco met several provincials of Brazil and the coordinators of the Salesian family at 10 a.m. in the auditorium of the Sao João Bosco Institute. On this occasion, Cardinal Fernandez Artime stressed the importance of assigning the posthumous qualification of Salesian cooperator to the servant of God, Father Cicero Romao Batista, conferred the previous day, and to also address a message of encouragement, perseverance and gratitude to the members of the Salesian family who were present. Among joy, hymns, dances, prayer and fellowship, the members of the Salesian family celebrated the solemnity of St. John Bosco and all the works of the Salesian province of Venezuela, VEN, with young people, children, benefactors and collaborators. Father Hugo Orozco, Councillor for the Inter-America region, was also present at the celebrations. After the break, due to the work of the General Council in Turin, he resumed his extraordinary visitation to the VEN province that began last November. The first Salesian university in Africa, the Don Bosco University of Lubumbashi, in its first academic year, celebrated the feast in honor of St. John Bosco, its patron saint, on Saturday, 3rd February. The students of the four faculties, Computer Science, Financial Management and Engineering, Human and Social Sciences and Theology, and their professors from the Theologicum St. Francis de Sales all gathered together and participated communally in the Mass celebrated by Father Guillermo Basanes, Superior of the Province of Central Africa, AFC. In his homily, he spoke of the pillars of the university, solidarity, innovation and work, and invited the entire assembly to work on themselves in silence because he said silence is the best laboratory to work on oneself. Paluruthi, Kochi witnessed a momentous event as the year-long celebration of the Golden Jubilee of Don Bosco Sneha Bhavan commenced on January 26, 2024. The prestigious duty of inaugurating the celebration was conferred upon the Honorable Mayor of Kochi, Mr. Anil Kumar, acknowledging the commendable efforts of the Don Bosco Society in supporting the vulnerable children of Kerala society. Mayor Anil Kumar emphasized the unique 50-year collaboration between the corporation and NGO, marking it as the first of its kind in the entire nation. At the helm of the grand ceremony was the Provincial of Bangalore, Salesian Province, Reverend Dr. Jose Thomas Koyakal. The unveiling of the Jubilee logo became a poignant moment orchestrated by Mr. KJ Maxi, the MLA of Kochi constituency. Sri V.A. Srijit, the chairperson for Education and Sports Standing Committee of the Corporation of Kochi, unveiled a documentary chronicling the extensive history and progress of Sneha Bhavan over the past 5 decades. Adding to the festive atmosphere, Mrs. Shriba Lal, Standing Committee Chairperson for Welfare, released the Jubilee theme song. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.